Good morning, travelers. If you're looking for a place to enjoy wine, charcuterie, and pizza here in CDO, I highly recommend visiting La Baya Cocina. They're located at Zone 5 Cugman, Cagayan de Oro City, fronting Malasag Road. Just go through the Blue Energy gasoline station. You'll definitely love the ambience. It feels like you're not in CDO. They offer a great variety of wines and drinks. Yes, daghan ka mapilian and daghan pud sila mga imported na wines. And make sure try jud ang ilang 4 cheese pizza with honey and ang ilang chorizo pizza. As in, 10 over 10 gid ang lami sa ilang pizza. And you can also make your own charcuterie board. They also have acoustic live music every Wednesday to Sunday. Samot kalami ang vibes din he.
If you want to go alone, I will be waiting when you're coming.
Whether you're hanging out with friends and family, go on a date with your loved one, or celebrating a special occasion, do it in a different and classy way at La Baya Cocina. Hangtod sa sunod, kita-kits travelers!
Advice mo sa una. Liberal mo na si